Severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome, also known as the SCID, is one of the rare immune disorder. In this disorder, the healthy T lymphocytes start degenerating and the dysfunction due to the absence of the enzyme A.D.A. So, SCID is a genetic defect in which the enzyme adenosine deaminase deficiency occur, and due to the A.D.A deficiency, various metabolites are produced which start affecting the T lymphocyte, which results in the decreased immune response, suffers the infectious disease and die at the early stage. So is there any treatment for the SCID? Yeah, it's there, and it is the gene therapy. So what is gene therapy and how does it work? There are the 5 steps. Let's see. The isolation of the defective cells from the patient and the grow the cell in the culture. Introduce the therapeutic gene to the correct the gene defect. Select genetically correct cell and the grow, and transplant the modified cells to the patient. Gene therapy is the insertion of the desired gene via vector into the cell to treat the disease. Here we will see the example of the SCID via gene therapy. A patient having the SCID, he will isolate the T lymphocyte cells, and these T lymphocyte cells are infused with the vector, and here is the vector contain our desired gene, that is the human A.D.A gene, and here is the vector DNA, and second is the human A.D.A gene, and the vector is used to transfer our desired gene to the host cell, and these T lymphocytes are the lymphocytes infused with the A.D.A gene grows into the culture cell, and this culture plate contains a liquid media which contain the nutrients, so the cell starts growing into the culture media, and as this culture media is performing outside the body, so we will name it as a ex vivo gene therapy. And this ex vivo gene therapy used to SCID patient, and these lymphocyte cells then infuse into the SCID patient. As a result, the A.D.A enzyme start producing, and the vector here we are using is the retrovirus. But why the retrovirus? Because the RNA is the genetic material, and with the help of the reverse transcriptase, it produces the DNA, and this DNA get incorporated into